It's very apt.
I can't tell you guys how much it means. I know there's a lot of other things you guys could be doing tonight, and the fact that y'all came here to make some noise and have a good time is... I'd be remiss if I could say you guys gotta give it up for Ryan Starr and his band. In fact, we're gonna have a little time. Is the whole band with you over there, Ryan? You should just come out and bow. I mean, just take the bow. Don't bow your happy, that's what we're doing. I say, David, good. Why did you guys say damn tall? I feel like a dwarf this year. All it takes is one bad photo, man. We're in the tabloids. What game did we play? You didn't play. You ate and passed out. Cornhole was the name of the game. And Jason, I don't know if you have any really celebratory sports-like music like "Eye of the Tiger," but I would like to take this minute and let Andy and I kind of gloat in the fact that we finished undefeated. So I don't know what you got. Huh? Oh yeah, hey teammate. Yeah, we'll wait. It's not. We can't play it and gloat at the same time, Jason. All right, will you guys? This whole thing's going to hell. Will you guys play Eye of the Tiger? Do you know it? Andy, where are you going? It sounded like terrible porn music. Congratulations on your win, sweetheart. I brought you a trophy. And, I'm sure there's a football joke in there about wide receivers and tight ends. But that's for another night.
As the conscience show, as the sweet breeze blow, as all the kindness go, hope still lingers on. Drink myself a newfound pity, sin alone in New York City. I don't know why.
hope so.
We were at Kansas City last night, That's impressive, Joey. That is impressive. So where were we at last night? Thank you. Yeah, we played an annual radio festival there called Red, White, and Boom, and I thought it'd be smart to wear like black shirt, black vest, blue tie, jeans, boots, and a hat, and we walk on stage at like 9:45 and it's 95 degrees outside, which explains the I tried to say shimmer, but I meant slimmer. Dehydration is a bitch. So we're gonna keep things rolling. We're gonna play a song we haven't played in a little bit, mainly because we've been on vacation. But this is a song called "I Did It For You." Time out. Time out. Well, at least Ryan Starr was professional, right? Up on the moon.
But in all honesty, man, thank you guys very, very much for calling in and voting and coming to shows and buying records. For giving myself and this band and our crew, you know, again, I love you too. But like, platonically. Like I love Mia. Thanks, bro. All right.
So everybody in the room has heard it. Now we don't have to play it. Good night.
What happens when you put on 2 pounds of hairspray to make these 12 hairs on top of my head stay still? It's like in my eyes. So, you know, we've been on the road for a while now, and occasionally we'll drive along the highway and we'll see a hitchhiker or a homeless person, and they'll have a sign made out of cardboard or various plastic, I don't know. But they always like, you know, we'll work for food, we'll work for money. What this indigenous young lady right here has done is, we'll work for backstage passes. I mean, what, like when you say, like, do you mean like carrying equipment or something? Because you don't care. I mean, you look about 70 pounds soaking wet, so I mean, I think this guitar weighs more than you do. Well, how many are in your group? How many are in your group? All right, you said 2, you said 4. Just, you're not in her group. Just relax. You people over there, not in her group, I'm pretty sure. If you guys are in the same group, she hates you. I'm sorry. 4? Okay. Can we get 4? This is not to imply with the 3 shows we have after this that everybody should show up with signs that say, "Will work for passes." Can we make it happen, team? This is, you know, why not? Why not? I'm pretty sure I'm CEO. Let's make it happen. You should see everybody on this crew scramble like, oh my God, what do we got to do? There's really nobody doing it. They don't really listen to me anymore. So if you don't get the passes, it's not my fault. You'll get them. Not you! Not you! You're not in the group! It's her! And her 3 other people. This whole show has gone to hell in a matter of minutes. They don't have sweet tea, but they have water. I see sweet tea right there. Now I've been lied to. Sir, I will accept many things, but a liar is not one of them. Jesus. An old joke I remember a comedian saying about it. Something like, there's no way to look like a hard ass when you drink out of a straw. Team, I'm gonna beat your ass!